How would you like to add extra people to your Facebook profile that are absolutely your target audience? In fact, they're even sticking their hand up to say, pick me, pick me. Do you remember that at school? I don't know if you had this at school, but it used to be picking teams for the soccer or the footy. And we all going, pick me, pick me. I don't want to be on the crap team. Um, I was sometimes the last pick. It's true. But yeah, you just have to get over it. So what we want to do is, before I digress into my childhood, I want to show you a way to, if you're struggling to get the right people in your Facebook profile. So if you're struggling to get leads and sales because nothing's happening, you're getting crickets when you post, people aren't engaging, it's probably because you haven't got the right people in your profile. So this is like an ongoing scenario where we have to go and add new people in and take people that aren't engaging out. Now, here's the thing: you could be putting lots and lots of posts up, loads of content, which is what people say, chuck more content, more content. But if the same people are seeing your content and they're not buying, you need to add more people and build your audience. Okay, so I thought, what's a good method? This could backfire, but I thought, what's a good method I can show you that I can do and show you to find people that are going to have our target audience? Did that make sense? I hope so. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my screen. I'm, of course, using my favorite live streaming software, which is BeLive. And if you want a free trial, do message me or comment trial, and I shall share it with you. You also, if you like it a lot and you end up buying it, then my friends at BeLive, we can give you a cheeky 30% discount. Yes, how does that sound? Unconnected, what can I say? Anyway, let's do this. Let's jump in. So what I thought we could do is, I've not done this, so this is a bit of a tester for me. But I thought, let's jump into JVZoo. Okay, so that's where lots of people put all their products on. It's a big product selling network. And so I'm just going to log in. You just create an account. You sign up for free. Quite happy there. So you log in. Cool. As you see, I've never sold anything on JVZoo, but that's not the point. I want to go find products. So we come down here and we have top sellers. And there we go. We have got top selling products. So we got a guy called Jono Armstrong, Luan and Trevor Carr, and Philip Johansson. And as he's the number one top selling product on funnels by revenue, by sales, by sale. Oh, let's go by revenue. Come on, let's go with him. Let's click on him. Okay, and so here he is. Shall we unmute him?
That you could jump straight into results and make guru money without any of the headache. We are talking about $1,000 all the way up to $5,000 or more per day without you needing to build funnels, websites, domains, connecting domains, have copywriting skills, have people.
Wow, that looks a very impressive offer. Click here to partner with me. Total value 143. Let's have a look. Holy moly! Good God! So $2,000 or pay just $1,000, just or $3,000 on a split. Man, I won't be doing that. But let's have a quick look at his website. I mean, he's the number one seller, so I'm guessing people must be paying him $2,000. Perhaps he's that good. I have no idea. So yeah, all the glitzy old stuff. Look, all the old Lambo. he's all the trappings of a successful affiliate marketer. He's probably a lovely chap. I've no idea. But I'm going to take that info. What's his name? Oh, it was on this one. Philip Johansson. Let's go find him. Philip Johansson on Facebook. Oh, okay. Philip Johansson. Oh, I need to share my screen, don't I? Let me share my Facebook screen. If you've got any questions, I can't actually see them at the moment. So if you drop in the comments, I'll have a look in a minute. But yeah, I just want to have a quick shift here and see this chap here, Philip Johansson. That's him. So, can we sing? Right. Okay. So went from 20,000 in debt to 25 million in less than 2.5 years. Gosh, that's good. Anyway, I want to actually see. No, I can't friend him. We see his friends. No. No. Okay. Right. Let's scroll down, see what he's got in his Facebook. He's not a prolific. Not a prolific poster. Tats and a buff body. Bastard. Let's see what else working already for the traits. Video. Oh, hang on. Here we go. Here's one. So, comment video and I'll send you a free guide showing you how to turn simple videos into commissions. So, 1 second viral video equals 1,000. 15 viral videos, it's 15,000. Okay. All right. I got your number. So, let's press on these comments. So, these are only a couple of weeks ago. So, what we're going to do is let's just open up a few of these. See, these are all people that are putting their hand up to make more money online. They've commented video. So let's go have a look at them. Sound like they could be good for us, or they might know people that would be good for us. Should be enough. Okay, right, let's have a look. Right, and the first person is this lady who's not posting on Facebook. Can't friend her either. And so she is not one for us. So we're going to delete her. And we're going to look at someone else instead. Let's have a look at Claudio. Just going to delete that previous one. Right, Claudio. Personal development and business wealth creation. Digital creator. Okay, potential. He looks like he might have some money. Add friend. We can friend him. Again, he's not really posting on social. No. Give him a bit of love. Yeah, I mean, he's hardly on, is he? Let's be honest. Let's not have him then. He doesn't count. Let's go to the next one. And this is just fishing, guys. Okay, 3 followers, 14 following. Teacher to affiliate.val. Bio site. Let's check her link. Link Valerie Grace. Face forward AI partner. Create a free bio site. Michelle Morgan. So Michelle Morgan, she might be an interesting one to go have a look at. But let's go back to her Facebook. And again, look, 3 followers, 14 following. And the posts are 2025, August, and not much going on. So actually, let me grab that other lady. What's her name? Michaela Morgan. Michaela Morgan. Not sure. I'm guessing we'd have found her straight away if it was if she was worth it. No. Okay. So let's skip to the next. I'll just delete that one. That one. Logan's got no picture. Lives in London. Nothing going on there. So maybe this guy wasn't such a great one to look at. But if you don't look, you don't know, do you? So we got Emily Mans, cool. She's Tennessee, tier 1 country. We can friend her. February, a little bit February. She's not a massive, not super active, is she? Bless her. No, I'm going to be brutal and say no, you're not right. Let's share next tab. Michael Stump. Okay, Michigan. Okay, we can add a friend. He's a coach. Loans officer. Sounds good to me. Who's his friends? No, that's private. Okay, he might not be ideal, but you never know. March 2023, 2020. No, he's not on Facebook. Fishing. But you get the point. Okay, you get the point. It's worth doing because when you find one that's good, it's going to be worth it, isn't it? So let's look at Stella. So we've just got Insta as well. Let's just check that link is working. It sure is. There's her Insta. Let's go back to her Facebook though. Let's have a look at this one. Pinned post from 24. Okay, April. Okay, so she is active. We don't exactly know where she is, but it looks like it could be a tier 1 country. So let's give that a bit of love. Oh, can't comment. Man. I do hate it when I do this. So we give her some love. But we can't comment because we're not friends. Televisions. Yeah. Hey, we might get something. Who knows? Let's add her as a friend anyway. We might not be able to. There you go. So we've added her. She might be alright. I need to go back now and oh no. Right. Next one. Okay. Larissa. We can add friend. Cool. Oregon. Perfect. So she's tier 1. This is our checklist, isn't it? Tier 1. We can friend them. Are they active on Facebook? Not so much, but never mind. We'll just go with the flow. I think we can give a bit of love and still a training. Oh. Keep up the training. And great. That you shouted out Costello. See, all we want them, they might pop on, see our see that we've I can't do anything on that one. Yeah, see that we've shown them a bit of love, and we could message them as well. We'll add a friend. No, it looks like I'm not this person. We can send her a message anyway. Why not? Hi, Carissa. Again. Here's your profile. And good luck. And keep up. Keep up the fitness. Now, because we can't add her as a friend, that'll probably go into a spam. She might see it, she might not. Who knows? Well, let's go fishing. Next one. Okay, last one for this time. Australia. Cool, she's locked her profile. That doesn't help. If she's locked her profile, I'm guessing she's not using it. So there you go. We've added one. And as you can see, that's quite labour intensive. But we found that guy just from looking on JVZoo. Right, I'm back in the content. Let me just stop that. Done. And now I can see your things. Hey, good night from PNG to you. Oh, good night. Papua New Guinea, I'm guessing. Cool. Who else we have? Jorinda, good to see you. Most interesting topic. Thank you. Yes, it is. It's really good. This is how you fish the profiles. Yeah, this is how I fished them. I hope it's right. But as you see, it's quite labour intensive what we've been doing here. 17 minutes, and we've got one. Now, we do have access to a automation for this process. It automates a great deal on Facebook. It is incredible. It is very powerful, and so I'm not just selling it here. You need to jump on and have a conversation with me, and we'll have to do a little teach, because here's the thing. When we automate, the danger is that Meta, Facebook, will see us as a bot and we can really blow our account. We don't want to do that. We want to keep our account nice and healthy. We can blow our accounts quite happily, all on our own. But this incredible software that can automate really does make a difference. If you can imagine, we just spent 17 minutes, call it 20, to add one. This software, we can add 20 people in 20 minutes. Again, we don't want to do it too quick because we don't want to be looking at spam, but we can easily find the right people, automatically get them added as our friends, and we can also automate the friend removal, because you don't just want to bring people in, you want to remove the inactive ones as well. So what I might do, I think next week, I'm going to do some little individual live stream trainings on this amazing software. Not even going to tell you what it is, because you have to tune in next week and see. We'll go back to being at 10 a.m. in the morning. It will start on Tuesday. Okay, we'll start on Tuesday, basically because I've got a meeting on Monday. So Tuesday, 10 a.m. I'll go through the rest of the week. We'll do 4 days at least of showing you this software, showing you how to work it without without destroying your Facebook account. Super, super important. And so until next week, if you've got any questions, please message me, or you can drop them in the comments. I always read my comments. So let me know either down below or message me, or you can email me. And yes, from Tuesday, whichever day that will be, 17th. So that'll be Tuesday the 21st, I believe. 10 a.m. UK time. Let's do it.